Chapter 3. I'm going to give you here 6 secrets to outdream yourself. Simple tweaks that can turn your restless nights into an effortless restoration. Yes, your sleep is more than dollars or any currency, as energy is the latest currency, and your body cannot fall asleep in a place where your mind does not feel safe. Sleep is just not a biological event, it's a psychological surrender. And surrender only happens when the environment says you can let go now. I am taking care of you. Your brain is constantly reading in the room, even if, my dear friends, you don't notice. It is noticing the lighting, temperature, clutter, sound, smell, the fabric touch on your skin. Your nervous system is always asking, am I safe here or do I need to stay alert? How comfortable you are is actually related with the safe. If the answer of the alert is yes, no deep sleep. If the answer is safe, the body sinks, relaxes. So your bedroom is not just a room, it's a message. And the 6 elements of sleep supporting your space are: the first one is the temperature. A cooler room reduces the internal stress. Your core body temperature must drop silently and slightly down to these ideal range of 18 to 22. Cool, not cold, breezy, not windy, fresh but not AC blasted. Your body sleeps deeper when it can breathe. If AC makes the room dry or artificial, simply ventilate for 5-10 minutes before the sleep. The second is light. Light is the brain's clock. Blue plus white light screams, tube light says daytime, stay awake. Amber light says sunset. It's safe to slow down now. Your room should look like evening. A simple shift. Turn off overhead light. Use a lamp with a warm bulb or a salt lamp or a candle-like LED. This single change begins your melatonin release. Melatonin is the hormone which is produced in the body after sunset, which makes you rest, relax. Third thing is air quality. Stale air keeps the heart rate slightly elevated, which blocks the deep sleep. The clean, oxygenated air supports slow breathing. So do this before your going to bed. Crack the window slightly. Keep one indoor plant, especially the snake plant, which releases oxygen at night. Let it be there in your room. Avoid the synthetic fragrances. They stress your respiratory system unconscious. Did you know this? My dear friends, you dream deeper. The fourth factor you need to reset, take care, is sound. Your brain is always listening. Even while sleeping, it scans for danger. The sudden, sharp sounds, micro awakenings, these all are leading to fragmented sleep, disturbed sleep. But predictable, continuous sound tells the nervous system no threat. The best sounds for sleep are pink noise, that is the rain, the brown noise, that is the low hum, ocean light. They soothe the brain. You are not a light sleeper. Your brain is just trying to protect you. The fifth point is the clutter. Clutter is not physical. Clutter is unmade decision. When your room is messy, your room reads things are unfinished, incomplete, and we are not done yet. So stay alert. This is the message, which means your brain refuses to fully shut down. This is why minimalist rooms feel instantly calming. Yes, the instant calm is important. Your bedroom is not a workstation, not a storage unit, not a laundry pile, my dear friends. It is a restoration chamber. Do you agree with me? Sixth, the most important point is your skin sends safety signal to the brain. The soft cotton is relaxation. The harsh synthetic fabric is micro tension. Yes, cotton has 100 frequency. Linen has 1000 frequency. And the synthetic is a dead frequency. So when your pillow and stuff feel gentle, your muscles relax without effort. Comfort is not a luxury. Comfort is therapy. So we will be doing a 1-minute environment reset with me now. Before sleeping, put away all visible clothes. Dim the light to warm tone. Crack the window for a few minutes. Lay your bed neatly. Sit for 30 seconds and just notice the stillness. This tells your body we are done for today. It's over. The day is over. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to shut down. And things become an invitation. And sleep is not a battle. And how this relates to the money and manifestation? A regulated bedroom regulates your nervous system. A regulated nervous system regulates your behavior, and a regulated behavior increases your consistency, and consistency is wealth. Simply, people don't struggle with money because they lack skill. They struggle because they lack the clarity, calm, and stable energy. When your environment supports rest, then you wake up clear, you think straight, you execute fast, your emotional reactions reduce, and you start responding. Your financial decisions stabilize, your intuition becomes sharper. Manifestation is not just magic, manifestation is your nervous system alignment. And here you can integrate yoga. We as a company run yoga classes with qualified instructors. So you can think of yoga as a resetting of the body's internal room. As you clean your external environment, and I say external world is a printout of your internal world, the yoga cleans your internal environment. It releases the stored tensions from the muscle, softens the stress response, clears the shallow chest breathing, brings you back in your body. Even 4 minutes of gentle movement like the forward fold, the hip opening posture, the slow neck stretch, this all help. It signals we are safe, we can rest now, which is why our yoga sessions pair with the sleep reset. They make the room inside your body match the room outside.